quickly unbox what I got from the market. Because I might not be taking you people along on how I make this soup, but I want to unbox the little thing I got from the market. This is stockfish. Is this stockfish or what? I don't know. And the oha leaf. This is oha leaf. This is oha leaf. I got these two for 1,000 naira. 500. Go and use yourself. But you take him, let him go and use himself. Go and use yourself. Yeah. This is uza leaf. This is 200. It's supposed to be 2 uza leaf. Now why did he give me only one? It's the only one that he gave me. Only one that she gave me, and she collected 400 from me. So this is only. This is a banga. This is 500. This is 500 to 200. So this is cocoyam. I don't like making soup every day. So this time I want to make soup. I make it big. Cocoyam! I got it for 2,000 naira. Cocoyam! How are you? It's fine. He said, Cocoyam, how are you? So far, bye. Thank you. Hey, I won't forget. Go and get me my cup. Oh, so sorry. Hi fam, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to the channel once again. I'm greeting according to your time and your location and wherever you're seeing this video or watching us from. To my returning subscribers, thank you very much for stopping by. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. And if you are new here, I'm a Nigerian YouTuber, mommy of 3 amazing kids that are based in Sube, Anambra State. I also live with my cousin sister here. Alpha, good morning. Huh? Hi fam. This she does say hi, you say hello.
Hi, hello.
So fam, I'm going to the children's school now and I'm trekking. I don't want to enter motorcycle today because I need to exercise. So keep on watching and subscribing to be part of the family. I'm gonna be like, you see that? Nah, imagine that phone on. Hey, many people want to play the hell. Without me, if it will get my turn. phone gị na-anyụ anya.
Ọnụ gọbụrụ na ọnụ gọ kịta. Ngwa kulie. Kulie mama. Ngwa kulie.
Onwekwa ihe na-aga na-ebudata isi m niile ebukwara. Akwa m niile ebukwara sọ.
Mkpote n'ụka ọzọ. Ọ nwete asanụ na mmiri wata. O nwere ihe bụ mmecha ihe sa ihe mmiri. Onye bụ nke obi sachapịa. Nwa be mbịa kịta ọchịla agwa na ya sachapịa mmiri. Ndo. Ndezi ka ọkọ dry.
Praise girl. Onwe ya ọzọ nna. Udo.
Ama m udo na-achị.
Ma n'ezie.
Iwu dị n'ịbụ na anyị ga na-eli nri.
Ụdị ahụ ka ọ dị.
Onye sa ya eri na nke ya afụrụ.
Ụdị ahụ ka ọ dị.
Anyị ga na-eli. O nwanne m.
Nwaanyị ọma,
Ọ ya abalị gị baalụ.
sorry for the pains.
Sorry for the witch pains.
Beauty is pain.
Wickedness.
Wow. This is the finishing of the. Wow. This is good. Massy hair empire. This is the outcome of the hair.
Thank you, Nemo.
Wow. If you want to look beautiful like this, just DM me. Let me just take you to the girl. I'm not too chapel, but we'll manage her. Wow. And the beautiful lady. Wow. N'isi ga amakazi. Eziokwu. Mmasị m chọzi ime gị nka. Ọ kakwa mma na ome maka ọ bụ na ome gị knotless. O were na ome gị ife ị chọrọ mana nke ome gị ife na chọrọ ya maka lekazi. Well done. Well, isi ga amaka. The color meshes itself ma gbuo onwe. You look good, nne. Hey. Wow.
Ya kwa tade bom na school. Emani gonna check.
Timona gold before, pure gold.
Tell me the number. See ya go check it out.
For na much. Onwe di ahụ agbagharị okwu ahụ agbagharị. Nọkata na agba 2000.
Ọkwara not odidi. Not to say another about 2,000 every day.
Asị na mbọsọ mgbe ọ na-anya ọ na-ga ọ ga-akwe price ọ na-ebe ni nke a dị cheaper nke a dị high nke a dị cheaper meanwhile na ego transportation ọ na-agba gogo na come back na cover times 2.
Abu coins, why does us one here? This is one abu coins. Pico.
Whatever ya. Get one again now. What the charge touch out, chargeable touch out. I am a mobile of father, probably a bunch of you. Where's the other school? You are going to go up.
You man attach my use baby.
Sis, yeah. What did you do, man? Wish you.
You got that.
I want a new woman. You know what that sis? Oh,
it's okay now. So shut up. You are very useless.
Must never come here.
Izi m ozi m na-eme ihe.
Sorry, my love. I put him in bottle.
Akwụ na afụ. Izi m ozi mana ikwe ya n'ofu ebe. Biko Hey guys.
hey, on your
So I'm done. This is the outcome of it. You can see the coins is bouncing well. This is what I.
Tinha cough my area. Yeah, cough.
So this is the finishing. It look good. So patronize Massy Empire. If you want location, just DM me. Keep on subscribing, liking, and commenting. Bye.